Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the diverse natural landscapes and ecosystems of Spain, a country teeming with life and opportunities for those passionate about the natural world. From the lush forests of the north to the sun-drenched coastlines of the south, Spain offers incredible opportunities for natural talent in fields like environmental science, biology, conservation, and ecotourism. Join us as we unveil 5 of Spain's hidden gems, each a haven for unique species and a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. Our first stop takes us to the southwestern coast of Spain, to the sprawling expanse of Doñana National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a wetland of international importance. Here, amidst a tapestry of marshes, lagoons, and shifting sand dunes, lies a haven for biodiversity, a place where the rhythm of nature beats to the pulse of the migrating birds. Doñana is a crucial stopping point for millions of birds migrating between Europe and Africa each year. As the sun rises, casting a golden glow over the marshes, the air comes alive with the sights and sounds of these feathered travelers. Flocks of flamingos form a sea of pink against the blue water, their graceful movements a mesmerizing ballet. Graceful spoonbills, their distinctive beaks sifting through the shallows, share the wetlands with majestic Spanish imperial eagles, their wingspans a testament to their power. For birdwatchers, Doñana is a paradise, a place where binoculars become an extension of the eyes, revealing a world of avian wonders. But Doñana is much more than just a birdwatcher's paradise. It is a living laboratory, a place where scientists and conservationists work tirelessly to understand and protect the delicate balance of this unique ecosystem. The park faces numerous challenges, from water management issues to the pressures of tourism. Yet, amidst these challenges, there is hope. The passion of the people who dedicate their lives to Doñana, from the park rangers to the researchers, is a beacon of light, a testament to the power of human dedication in the face of environmental uncertainty. Our journey through Spain's natural wonders now takes us north, to the towering peaks of the Picos de Europa National Park. Here, amidst a dramatic landscape sculpted by glaciers, lies a world of rugged beauty, a place where jagged limestone peaks pierce the sky, their slopes cloaked in emerald forests and meadows carpeted in wildflowers. The Picos de Europa, meaning peaks of Europe, are a sight to behold. These ancient mountains, formed over millions of years, stand as silent guardians, their presence a constant reminder of the power of geological forces. The air is crisp and clean, carrying with it the scent of pine and damp earth, a welcome change from the bustle of city life. The park is a haven for hikers and nature enthusiasts, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Winding trails lead through dense forests, home to elusive creatures like the Cantabrian brown bear and the Iberian wolf. These apex predators, symbols of the wild heart of Spain, roam the remote corners of the park, their presence a testament to the success of conservation efforts. But the Picos de Europa are not just a hiker's paradise, they are also a treasure trove for ecological research. The park's unique geology and diverse microclimates have created a mosaic of habitats, each supporting a rich array of plant and animal life. Scientists from around the world are drawn to the Picos de Europa to study everything from climate change's impact on alpine ecosystems to the behavior of endangered species. The knowledge gained from their research is invaluable, helping us to better understand and protect these fragile mountain environments. From the rugged peaks of the Picos de Europa, we journey south to the sun-drenched slopes of the Sierra Nevada, a mountain range that seems to rise from the Andalusian plains like a giant's backbone. Here, beneath the watchful gaze of Mulhacen, mainland Spain's highest peak, lies a world of contrasts, a place where snow-capped summits give way to verdant valleys and arid landscapes transform into lush meadows bursting with wildflowers. The Sierra Nevada, meaning snowy mountain range, is a place of extremes. In winter, the mountains are cloaked in a thick blanket of snow, attracting skiers and snowboarders from across Europe. But as spring arrives, the snow melts, giving way to an explosion of life. The slopes of the Sierra Nevada are home to an astonishing diversity of plant life, many species found nowhere else on Earth. The vibrant colors of the wildflowers paint the meadows in a kaleidoscope of hues, attracting a myriad of insects, butterflies flitting from bloom to bloom. This botanical paradise supports a rich tapestry of animal life, from the nimble-footed Spanish ibex, scaling the rocky crags with ease, to the elusive wildcat, its piercing gaze scanning the undergrowth for prey. The Sierra Nevada is also home to a variety of bird life, their songs echoing through the valleys. This delicate balance, however, is under threat from climate change, which is impacting the timing and intensity of snowfall, with potential consequences for both the ecosystem and the human communities that depend on it. Despite these challenges, the Sierra Nevada remains a beacon of hope, a testament to the resilience of nature and the importance of conservation efforts. Our exploration of Spain's natural talent hotspots now takes us to the heart of Catalonia, to the Montseny Natural Park, a UNESCO biosphere reserve located just a stone's throw from the bustling metropolis of Barcelona. Here, amidst rolling hills and verdant valleys, lies a world of ecological diversity, a place where Mediterranean and Central European landscapes converge, creating a mosaic of habitats teeming with life. Montseny, meaning Mount Signal, is a beacon of nature in close proximity to urban sprawl. It serves as a reminder that even in the most densely populated areas, pockets of wilderness can thrive, offering refuge for both wildlife and weary city dwellers seeking respite in nature's embrace. The park's diverse topography, ranging from lowland forests to subalpine meadows, supports an astonishing array of plant and animal life. Walking through the park, one encounters a symphony of sounds, from the rustling of leaves underfoot to the melodic calls of birds overhead. In the lower elevations, oak and pine forests dominate, their canopies providing shade for a rich understory of shrubs and wildflowers. These forests are home to a variety of mammals, including wild boar, badgers, and genets, their nocturnal habits shrouding them in an air of mystery. As we ascend higher, the forests give way to subalpine meadows, carpeted in a vibrant tapestry of wildflowers during the spring and summer months. These meadows are a haven for butterflies, their delicate wings a kaleidoscope of colors as they flit from bloom to bloom. The park is also home to a number of rivers and streams, their clear waters teeming with aquatic life. Montseny Natural Park is not just a place of natural beauty, it is also a living laboratory for scientists studying the effects of climate change and human impact on Mediterranean ecosystems. Our final destination takes us off the coast of Mallorca to the Cabrera Archipelago Maritime Terrestrial National Park, a jewel of the Mediterranean, where turquoise waters lap against rugged coastlines and a sense of tranquility pervades the air. This archipelago, comprised of 19 islands and islets, is a haven for marine biodiversity, a place where time seems to slow down, dictated by the rhythm of the waves and the flight of seabirds. Cabrera, meaning Goat Island, was once a strategic military outpost, its isolation protecting it from development. Today, this isolation is a blessing, preserving the archipelago's pristine beauty and making it a paradise for those seeking an escape from the crowds. Beneath the crystal-clear waters lies a world of wonder, a kaleidoscope of colors and life. Posidonia oceanica meadows, often referred to as the lungs of the Mediterranean, sway gently in the currents, providing shelter and sustenance for a myriad of marine creatures. Schools of fish, their scales shimmering in the sunlight, dart amongst the seagrass, while octopuses, masters of camouflage, lurk in crevices, their tentacles reaching out to capture unsuspecting prey. The archipelago is also home to a variety of seabirds, their calls filling the air as they soar effortlessly above the waves. The skies are often graced by the majestic flight of Audouin's gulls, their distinctive black heads and red beaks a common sight. These birds nest on the islands, their colonies a testament to the archipelago's ecological importance. For divers and snorkelers, Cabrera is a paradise, offering a glimpse into the vibrant world beneath the waves. The turquoise waters, the rugged coastline, and the sense of peace and tranquility that pervades the air make Cabrera a truly special place. As we sail away from Cabrera, the sun setting on the horizon, casting a golden glow over the islands, we are filled with a sense of gratitude for the opportunity to have experienced this hidden gem of the Mediterranean. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Spain's natural wonders. From the birdwatcher's paradise of Doñana to the underwater realm of Cabrera, we've witnessed the incredible diversity and beauty that this country has to offer. These 5 hotspots are just a glimpse into the vast natural talent that thrives in Spain, offering endless opportunities for exploration, research, and conservation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content about the world's most incredible places.